What are the penalties associated with a DWI conviction in Texas? Attorney John Haughton explains. A first-time DWI conviction is a Class B misdemeanor, and it carries up to 180 days in jail and a fine of up to $2,000. A second DWI is a Class A misdemeanor, which carries up to 1 year in jail and a fine of up to $4,000. If you have previously been convicted of 2 DWIs and you get a third, it is a felony offense, and you are facing 2 to 10 years in prison and a fine of up to $10,000. There are other consequences for prior convictions, or if there was an open container in the vehicle or a minor in the vehicle. Probation is available in these cases just as it is in most criminal cases. If the defendant is placed on probation, he or she may avoid incarceration as long as they comply with the terms and conditions of the probation. Probation typically requires the defendant to comply with the following: submit to random drug tests, commit no other offense, avoid injuries, vicious behavior, and people of immoral character, report monthly to the court probation officer, permit home and work inspections by probation officers, stay employed, receive permission before leaving the county or state, pay all fines and court costs, support your dependents, notify the court if your place of employment or home address changes, DWI education class, 2 4-hour classes, ADD Victim Impact Panel, 3-hour session, community service, 24 to 100 hours, fines and court costs, alcohol or drug evaluation, 30 minutes to 1 hour, no alcohol, ignition interlock device, Crime Stoppers fee, any other reasonable term the court requires. Beginning September 1, 2019, defendants will be able to get deferred adjudication probation for first-time DWIs, provided that the blood alcohol level was not greater than 0.15 and the defendant does not hold a commercial driver's license at the time of the offense. Deferred adjudication probation is a form of probation which differs from regular probation in several ways. First, the defendant is not convicted of the offense, and second, in the event of a violation of probation, the court may sentence the defendant to the full available range of punishment. At Haughton Law Group PC, our decades of legal practice means that we can analyze your case quickly and accurately. We have acquired extensive knowledge in our chosen practice areas and also knowledge of the customs of the courts, judges, and attorneys throughout North Texas. We work hard to resolve cases fairly